Hello friends, in this video, we will learn how to make a purchase in the inventory software. As we log in the company, we can see the dashboard. To make a purchase, we need to feed the details of the purchase, and for the same we need to launch the purchase dialog box. We can launch the purchase dialog box in 3 ways. We can click on the Transactions tab in the menu bar and then select Purchase from the drop-down menu. After this, the Purchase dialog box opens. We can then fill the details. We can also launch the Purchase dialog box from the Quick Access panel on the left-hand side of the window. We need to click on the Supplier option on the Quick Access panel and then need to click on Purchase, and the Purchase dialog box will open. We can launch the Purchase dialog box in the simplest way just by pressing F9 key on our keyboards, and the Purchase dialog box will be launched without the hassle of using our computer mouse. We will feed the details of the purchase as per the fields here. For example, ledger name as Akash Enterprises, that is the supplier's name, as we are making a purchase. To select an supplier, you can start typing any part of the supplier's name. System will show the list of all matching ledgers. You can change the selection using the up or down arrow and then press the Enter key to select. We can also create new supplier directly from here after typing new and pressing Enter key. Then create new ledger dialog box will appear. We can add supplier details here, and then new supplier will be created after pressing OK button that we can see here. For now, keeping the supplier's name Akash Enterprises. Print name is copied automatically, however we can change it if required. We can feed all other details such as voucher number or bill number as per our requirements. Then we need to put up the items or services purchased in the dialog box. For example, if the item purchased are t-shirts, we will select t-shirts in the item. To select an item, you can start typing any part of the item name. System will show the list of all matching items. You can change the selection using the up or down arrow and then press the Enter key to select. If the item is not already created, then you can also create the new item from here. You can type new and select the new item option using Enter key. After this, a new item dialog box appears. We can fill required details, press OK, and new item will be created. You can also search the items using fields like manufacturer or item group using F3. After pressing F3, you will see a search window where you can filter the items using any keywords, for example t-shirt, and press Enter to select the required item. After this, we need to fill up other details such as quantity, for example 5. Unit. Other details such as rate is automatically fed from the item details we made during creating the item. We can specify discounts under the disc text field if required. If you have defined the tax class while creating the item, the system will automatically show the applicable tax here. If not, we can select the GST using the drop-down menu, for example GST 12. Then we need to click on that item button, and the item details will be registered in the purchase. We can also fill the item using their barcode in the barcode field. For example, we will include jeans in the list. We will be required to feed the barcode number 5 to 8694 and press Enter, and the item will be added automatically, as we can see here. We can also edit or delete the details using the options we can see here. To edit the details, we need to select the item and click Edit button. We can then edit the details as required. For example, change quantity from 1 to 5 and then click on an item button and the purchase is edited, as we can see. Similarly, to delete items, we can select the item and click on Delete, and the item will be deleted from the purchase. Here we also get options to add services using the Add Service button. We have to click on the Add Service button and then add the service. Fill information such as quantity, rate, and amount. And press OK, and the service will be added. Finally, we can select the payment mode from the drop-down menu. Example cash, Paytm or other payment mode we had created. For credit purchase, we should keep the paid amount as 0. We can also add transport details using the Transport Details tab, which we can see here. After filling the details as required, we have to click on the OK button and the purchase will be created. To make another purchase at the moment, we have to click on Apply. Pressing the Apply button will clear all text fields and we can create new purchase. However, if we don't have to make another purchase, we will click OK and the purchase will be created and the dialog box will close. Thank you.